Here we're at a stoplight. I'm gonna give it the beans, not really the beans, and we're gonna see from 0 to 60 how long it takes. Bah! Okay guys, now it's in manual mode, in sport mode. Let's see how it does. 1, 2, 3, go. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the Gaza Performance Garage. Yes, I am Mr. Gaza, and today we have a lot of good things lined up for you today. Today we have our exhaust system that we will be putting on our 2001 Lexus Gs300, equipped with our 2JZ GTE VVTI twin turbo ARISTO swap. And that includes also the transmission, 4-speed automatic transmission. Yes, currently it has a weak, restrictive exhaust system, which I want to eliminate so bad because this is holding back on the power delivery to the wheel. With this exhaust system I'm putting on, it's a 3-inch from the catalytic converter, split into 2.5 inches to some really tastefully gorgeous, round, juicy looking exhaust drums. They're so huge. Enough talking from me. I'm going to go ahead and get to work. Hey, what's up guys? Listen, the battery went dead while it was under the car and I had to just go ahead and keep on working. I have learned a trick on how to install the exhaust. It's not just to put it any way you want. First of all, you need to put on the rear drums first, okay, without connecting any of the mid pipes. Then second, you go up under the car with the mid pipe without connecting the mid pipe to any of those rubber donuts. Just have it hang and then go ahead and lightly bolt on your rear drums to the mid pipe, and then you snug it left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. And then also what you do after that, you go ahead and lift up the front that's been hanging on the ground and go ahead and put it on, connected to the catalytic converter, the part that is extending from the catalytic converter. Connect that in. Then what you do now is start to tighten up all your bolts, left, right, left, right, left, right, at least twice on each side evenly. And then you do that on the end, and then you put your donuts on the car. All right, so what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to go ahead and take you under the car and show you what is happening, what has been done. All right, here we go, guys. Excuse the fan, I know it's kind of loud. And this is where you connect your pipe to the one of the pre-mufflers, and then upwards you will have the catalytic converter. Okay, FYI, I do have the mid pipe. Just forgot to take it out before I parked the car. So you know what, this is going to be a next one, installing the mid pipe on this car. I guess say stages. Clean work guys, clean work. Be sure to wipe off all of your dirt, the grease. Make sure you wipe off all your grease marks when you are connecting the exhaust system, because when it gets hot it will leave a mark on your beautiful stainless steel. There's the drums on the back. Oh, look at that ass, will you? Look at the ass on Red. She is so fat. Let me take my eyes off of her. Yeah, so this is it. I'm gonna go also to the back. See, it comes all the way up dual to a 3-inch, and it branches off to a 2.5. Beautiful. driven it, you know, very hard. Just want the oil to reach in certain places. Guys, there you have it. Holy cows, this thing is sweet. It's supposed to sound better when I put the mid pipe on. It will definitely be much better. Holy cows. Marked improvement. Welcome back. Today's show was awesome. I really appreciate that you guys took the time out to take a look at this video. I don't know if it belonged for you, but it seems like it's going to be a pretty short video. But then, it's not about how long the video is, about the product knowledge and how to do this. Alright guys, listen, you know, I hate to sound like a broken record, but if you are not a subscriber to the Gaza Performance Garage, just hit that subscribe button right down there. And also to please the algorithms, because they can be really, really tough on YouTubers. Please smash that like. When you smash the like button, you share this content with everyone all over the world. And here at my garage,